Let's learn about the union of two sets using a Venn diagram. We'll work with two sets, set C and set D. Let's define our sets. Set C contains the elements 3, 4, and 5. And set D contains the elements 4, 6, and 8. Let's visualize these sets using a Venn diagram. Here we have two circles. The left circle represents set C, and the right circle represents set D. Notice how they overlap. This overlapping region will contain any elements that are common to both sets. Now, let's place the elements in our Venn diagram. In set C, we have 3 and 5, which are only in C, and in set D, we have 6 and 8, which are only in D. The number 4 appears in both sets, so it goes in the overlapping region. The union of sets C and D, written as C union D, includes all elements that are in either set C or set D, or both. So, the union includes the elements 3 and 5 from set C, the elements 6 and 8 from set D, and the element 4, which is common to both sets. Therefore, the union of set C and set D is the set containing 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Notice how each element appears exactly once in the union, even though 4 appears in both original sets.